Okay, Vigo, you can go outside now. But there's a lot of snow, so just be careful.
Heading out to do some snow blowing. Gonna put the Woodmaxx to the test. There's at least 2 feet of snow. And it's still coming down hard.
Okay, I'm all bundled up, ready to go outside and see what it looks like out there. Everything's pretty buried. All right, guys, finally gonna get a chance to test out the snowblower in 2 feet of snow, maybe more in some places because it's been drifting. So, yeah, this should be exciting. Things are gonna start spinning. Yeah, buddy, there it goes. Okay, I don't know if it's possible, but I'm going to try to move my car out of the snowbank and back it up here so Brian can clear back there. Probably not going to go anywhere, but we'll see. Well, that was pretty amazing. I didn't expect to be able to pull right out of all that snow. 2 feet of snow back there. I guess I can clean off my car now. The abominable snowman.
Yeah,
Holy smokes.
it's pretty bad.
Pretty frosty. Yeesh. Well, that job took you a little longer than normal.
Yeah, imagine trying to do it with a bucket.
I was just thinking that. I think I was saying it earlier. Imagine having just a plow or just having a bucket to do the whole
You have to have one of those 60 horse tractors.
Yeah.
Then you could probably do it. Mm-hmm. Without any problems. Big giant or a loader or something.
Mm-hmm.
They had gone through with the plow at some point.
Oh, yeah.
There was only like that much snow in the road.
Huh.
But it's already snowed like another 4 or 5 inches
Yeah, I noticed that.
since I've been out there.
Well, when I moved can you believe I moved the car?
Yeah.
I was like, let's see if I can drive out in 2 feet of snow.
Those will dry off by the time it's time to go out again.
Yeah, I know. That's why I hung mine up on the stairwell.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you get eye level with it.
Yeah, I saw 30.
Really? I
Well,
don't know.
depends on which way.
It just depends on how you look at it. Yeah. We just need to almost measure it in the middle, get a stake out there in the middle and measure.
Yeah.
I don't know if I want to open the door. It's starting to creep up on the glass.
I know.
Ooh, the chair, it's got up to the arms of the chair now. We're not done for the day. We just came up with a problem. Okay, first of all, problem is no fire in the stove and the pilot light's out. Batteries are fine, thermostat's fine. But check this out.
The vent was suffocated.
We think there was just complete snow, ice buildup all over the vent, that it just, no way to intake oxygen for the fire, and the pilot light went out.
And of course, the deepest amount of snow is right there.
There's not a really easy way to access that. I mean, we have a window here, but it opens the other direction. And then there's the deck. Maybe you could reach it and knock on it with a broom. How much? Well, I guess you can step over it. Good job. Oh, I don't know. Yeah, a lot of snow up in there. You had to manually light the pilot light.
Yeah.
For some reason, the pilot light's not really wanting to work on its automatic button. Now we can get cozy in front of the fire. I was like, why is it chilly in here? It's more chilly than normal. Definitely. All right, guys, we're
The day after the big storm.
yep, And we can't really give you an official total because the winds have blown everything and drifted everything like crazy.
Yeah, so where we snow blowed the driveway is all big, huge drifts now.
Yeah. So it's a good thing to have a snowblower because, like you saw, it just kind of cuts through it. And if you have to do the job twice, you're not screaming and swearing because you can just kind of burn through it again.
Last year it was plow for 5 hours, you drift back in, and then you'd have to go out plow for another 2 hours. So
yeah,
that's pretty
very time consuming. But now the Woodmaxx makes really quick use of it, and you saw in the footage, you just kind of cut through those 2 foot or the 2 feet of snow, just chowed it up like Pac-Man, you know?
Yeah. So now we'll go out later this evening. Hopefully the wind will die down and give it another go.
Yeah. Yeah, Brian did have the day off of work. We heard that Denver did get the 2 feet. I think we probably ended up with 28 inches up here.
Yep.
Possibly 30, but there was no telling it. The snow really started to lighten up, and then it was done snowing by 8 o'clock. So I don't think we got any more inches last night.
Yep.
But it's definitely windy. We got the wind right now, so a lot of snow drifting. Still feels pretty stormy, even though we got blue skies. But excited to have made it through that storm and enjoy this moisture that we're gonna hopefully help us in the springtime.
Yeah, for sure. And then more snow, maybe a little bit tomorrow, and then they're calling for some more Friday, Saturday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So they will have a few more inches to add to it.
Yeah, could be a little bit more. Should warm up a little bit, make a crust on the snow so it stops drifting so much. That would be nice. But and we had a little bit of excitement yesterday with our stove kind of going out. Didn't really plan on that happening at all, but we haven't had a problem since we got it going again.
Right. So luckily it was a quick fix.
Yeah. So just manually lighting it. We'll have to troubleshoot the pilot light a little bit, but for now, it's looking at taking care of some of these snow drifts.
Yay.
Whee! More fun. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed our storm footage. And we'll keep you posted on the next storm if we get another big one this spring. But right now, we're going to enjoy some blue skies. And what are you doing today?
I'm going to try and snow blow the deck, see if that works.
Oh, yeah. We'll make another video on that. Use that little mini snow blower. See if it's any good. See if it's any good. All right, guys. We'll see you next time.
All right. Bye.